Hi, my name is Josh Hahn, and I'm going to be teaching dance today to my student Sally. How you doing, Sally?
Oh, okay, a little nervous. Can't dance very well, so.
It's okay, I'm here to teach you. We all start somewhere.
Oh, okay.
You're going to do good. Don't worry.
Okay. I know I've got a good instructor.
Thank you.
All right.
So I'm going to be teaching her the skill of the moonwalk today and the side shuffle.
Okay.
So let's get to it.
Moonwalk and the side shuffle. Got it. All right.
So I guess I'll just demonstrate it.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you see me, class? Yeah. Okay. So
Let's
push off. You bend the right leg first, at least for me. That's dominant, and then you just move back. So just back.
Okay.
So I'll do it one more time.
All right. Now one more time, and I'll go alongside you. All right. Okay. All right.
So it's kind of like you're walking into it. There's no gravity. It's supposed to look like you're floating.
Got it. Okay. Check it. Okay. All right.
Right leg back.
Okay.
Push that leg back. Push that leg back. Right left. Right.
Okay. Did I do it? Okay. So
Let me see.
right, left, right, left.
Kind of like that. That was good. That's good for a beginner. So you kind of want to keep your back straight
Back straight.
and just push with your legs. Like you keep one foot flat.
Okay.
1 foot flat.
Okay. Ready to go.
And then push it back.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Actually, I think that was pretty good. So,
Move your arms.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
So you got it?
I think so. Let's see. So. I mean, I have to practice more, but.
That was good. No, that was good.
Okay.
Good job for fundamental. There we go.
Okay.
Good job.
Alright.
Alright, so the next skill I want to teach her is called the side shuffle.
Okay.
So it goes something like this. So to begin with, the first step you learn is
Okay, I can do that.
So here. So I guess you can start off with your right foot,
Okay.
and then your weight on your right foot,
Okay.
and transferring it to your left,
Okay.
and putting your weight on the left.
Yeah.
And then putting your
Together?
right foot together.
Okay.
And if you want.
Okay.
So, like this. Okay, you got it.
Okay.
No, that's great. I'm glad.
Okay.
So the second step you want to do is do it more towards your midline.
Okay.
What I mean by that is stepping out,
Okay.
and then you can come back together.
Okay.
And then stepping out the other way, to the right, and then coming back together.
Kind of an angle, right?
Yeah, an angle.
Okay.
So I guess I'll demonstrate real quick.
Okay.
So stepping more towards away from your midline and coming right back.
Okay. One more time.
So. There we go.
Am I taking a step or am I sliding?
No, you're good. You're doing it right.
Okay. All right.
Excellent. So the third step I'm going to teach you for this is how to do, like, put all of them together, like all three steps. So bring your foot out.
Okay.
Your left foot.
Yep.
And then shift. And then slide this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can clasp.
Okay.
And you can shift your hips if you
Okay.
want. And then the next step, same thing.
Okay.
Step right foot out,
Mhm.
drag on the ball foot of the left,
Okay.
and then just kind of like that. Let me kind of show you real quick. and then
Yes.
Let's see if you get it. I think you'll get it. I'm confident. There you go. Just drag your foot. There you go.
All right. How's that?
That's excellent.
All right. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you, class. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed the video.